feelings are a very natural thing, and it's our feelings are actually signals and action signals for us. And the analogy that I like to give is sort of like driving a car and we see the light go off in the car. It's like a signal, okay, you need gas. There's something that your car needs. When we mask that's like a feeling, right? So now when we mask the feeling, we mask that signal, we would be, and don't put gas in the car, we'd be driving without gas and we'd get stuck. Okay? That's the analogy, that's the metaphor. So it's very important that we pay attention to our feelings, because our feelings are there to actually protect us. When you're feeling something like anger, people, well, I don't know how to handle anger. God forbid I feel angry. Well, I've been taught that I'm not able to express my anger. Or I'm taught that, it's not okay. What does anger mean? Does anybody here know what anger means? Go ahead.
I'll say something turns inward.
What's going on here?
I would say it's your self, something turns inward, I guess. It's a negative emotion.
Negative emotion. And I do see definitely that a lot of people do turn their anger against themselves, and a lot of times they will sabotage themselves in one way or another, or sometimes they're turning their anger outward toward other people, and it becomes very hurtful, and then anger can be very toxic. But what anger really means, okay, it's very interesting, is that some standard or rule that you have for yourself and your life has been violated, okay? Has been violated by you or by somebody else. Now, if you're walking around and you're numbing yourself and you're taking pills to numb you so that you don't feel, right? So that you don't get angry, or so that you're just going through life, nothing affects you. You're in a drug addiction, so you're numb. Well, guess what? It's hard to do something. It's hard to realize what it is that is really, what it is that's really upsetting you. Okay, what standard or rule it is that you have for yourself has been violated. And if you don't know what that is because you don't know yourself, then guess what? You can't do anything about it. You're rendered helpless. And a lot of people are taking medications because they want to feel in control of themselves. They're doing things because they want to feel control over themselves. So you have to ask yourself, are the behaviors that I am, are those things really helping me to be mindful and really helping me to gain control over myself? If it's really making me aware, is it really opening my eyes to the road when I'm driving? Okay, or am I driving blind in life? Now, I don't know about you, but I don't want to drive blind in my life. I want to have my eyes open. So that means being honest. It means being honest with yourself. It means facing your fears and being honest and realizing that when you are honest with yourself, now you become empowered because there's actually something that you can do about it.